go crazy if I didn't have Black+Decker vacuum cleaner to the rescue. It reaches and cleans even the most impossible of places. Black+Decker vacuum cleaner is ideal for quick and efficient cleaning since it creates a powerful suction that effectively collects dust and debris from every corner. It has a stainless steel body and 20-liter tank with blower function as well. Wet or dry, you name it, it cleans it all. Well, this is my Black+Decker wet and dry drum vacuum cleaner. Dirt ko chance nahi cha ina. Black+Decker, make life easier. You can use my promo code JYOTSNA10BD to get an additional 10% discount on purchase of all Black+Decker products.